Welcome in to another Yarny review. Today we are doing the discontinued now Sublime Isabella. It is by Sirdar. Now they are 50-gram donuts, 130 meters, 142 yards approximately. This is in the shade 0669. They're saying 4mm needles or hook, and if I can find it again, I found it a moment ago. Hang on, there we go. 55% wool, 45% cotton. Now this was a happy mail for you guys, but I am going to give it a quick review. Just find the end. There we go. On you go, little donut. Thank you. The cheapest I found this was at Shirley Wools Limited for £3.99. That was the cheapest I found it, and I haven't come across it before. It would be nice to find out what it's like. There is no stretch to it whatsoever, but it feels really nice and soft. So with Beany's help, let's see what happens. Give it a little swatch. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then do a row of single crochet. Now this hook was custom made by an Etsy seller whose shop is called Cutlery Designs. Her name is Jelena, and she makes them custom made for you. If you want words, if you want Disney characters, if you want a photograph caricature done, she can do it. And I've just had my first split. So let's try that again. If you've got an image in your mind, let's say you wanted 8 octopus or octopi around your hook, she can do it. If you want lots of different types of flower and different colours, she can do it. If you want lots of balls of yarn all over your hook, Miss Jelena can do it, and for a very, very good price, including shipping to boot, no matter where in the world you are. She's from Serbia, so it does take a little while to be delivered, but it is so worth it. Okay, so there's our singles. I'm going to chain 2 and then do some half doubles. Now we're not here to judge my poor crochet skills. We're here purely to have a look at this Isabella, see how it works up in the swatch, how it feels, and it feels not too bad. Oh, there's a Beany. Come out, Beany. But it feels like a cotton blend, but a nice soft cotton blend. Not overly feathery soft, but it feels nice. And I suppose, as with any of the colours that they do, there's a two-tone to it. I don't know if this will show it on camera, but in this one you've got cream plus the orangey pink. It's not all solid colour, as it were. So it gives it a little bit of definition too. And I love me some definition. Okay. Oops. So there's the half doubles. Let's do some doubles. Yeah, I'm having no problem with this on the hook. Yes, I'm having to be slightly careful because of splitting. I've got to aim my hook very carefully. So I suppose in a way I wouldn't want to be watching TV while I worked on a project with this, because I'd only be able to do one of them right. And no, my luck, it wouldn't be the crochet, because I'd end up with a lot of splits. Let's do the splits. No, let's not. So this was donated by Knitting Purple. She's over here in the UK. And she has donated, I think it's 8 donuts of this, excluding the one that I'm using right now to review. So they're all untouched, brand new, and they will be coming up in a future giveaway. So if you've come this far into the review, please give Perp a little thank you down below, because it's you guys that are going to get the chance to win some. No matter what my review is, you'll be able to make up your own. Okay, let's do one more row of single crochet. I didn't even do a chain. That was silly. Oh well. Also, hanky markers are still on sale, of course. Details for them are down in the description below, underneath where the details of this Isabella yarn will be. And of course, there are HanKeys as well, Hanky key rings. Both of them can be made in almost any colour you desire. You just need to get a hold of me in an email and let me know what you'd like. Let's do one more row of half doubles. And you know, if Perp is actually watching this and she comments, I'll pin her comment to the top so that you guys can thank her directly, which would be nice, because this has come out of her pocket, not mine. What is going on with curling? I mean, really, we're not playing Tunisian here. I'm definitely not a tight crocheter, that's for sure. Okay, let's do one last row of doubles. I mean, look at that. Yeah, I'm like the best crocheter ever, because I'm really going into the edges. You're right. But we're just judging the sublime. Do I think it's sublime? Do you think it's sublime? How many ladybirds of sublimeness will there be for this Isabella? Oh, cramp, sorry. Oh, that's it. You go into the last one now when we're all done. Right. Okay. How does it feel? Quite nice. On the skin, quite nice. Yep. It feels soft. It worked on the hook nicely. Again, it's a case of having to be careful with it to stop the splitting, but not bad at all. Let's see how we do with a slow frog. So far, so good. Maybe a fast frog. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Perfectly fine. There is a little bit of kinkage there. So that's slightly worrying, not majorly, but slightly worrying that there's a fair old bit of kinkage there. But not bad. It feels nice on the donut, it feels nice on the hand, it feels nice next to the skin. Thanks, Beany. What are we going to mark it? Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be extremely annoyed if that was the only thing in the shop and I had no choice and had to get it? No. Would I be, ooh, it's actually quite nice. For a natural, don't forget this is natural, this is wool and cotton blend. Wool and cotton, so all natural. $3.99 a donut. Would it be in my top 5? Yes, I think so. Would it be in my top 3? Yes. And I'm going to go as far as saying a half. See, we've got a little wink going on. I'm going to say 4.5. The only thing that lets it down is the splitting. You've got to be really, really careful with that. So you can't just mindlessly go and make something while you're crocheting. You've got to be really careful with that splitting. Other than that, it feels really nice. It feels nice and soft. There is no roughness in these donuts at all. It feels nice on the skin. And I'm pretty sure if you did a really nice textured stitch, that would look really, really good. I'm not going to say that the drape is brilliant. So that is the other reason for the half mark off. But overall, pretty good score, I'd say. So that's the review for this week. Sublime Isabella, all details are down below. And that is all underneath where it says subscribe. And also the thumbs up and the thumbs down. Which one would you give it? Anyway, hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.